Welcome back. This is Mary from Around the Craft Room. So today I bought a mini heat press. So I'm going to open this up with y'all. Mini but mighty, it says. Cricut Easypress. Let's see. That's cute. So that's pretty sturdy. So let's take this out of the package. I'm holding my camera today, so it's kind of doing this all with one hand. There we go. Put that aside. So that's really cute. I'm going to use it in my sewing room, and I have one of those wool mats, heat pressing mats, that I've put on top of my IKEA drawer caddy thing where all my sewing stuff is. It's right next to my sewing machine. Of course, you can use it for any of your stuff you're pressing with your Cricut, but I'm going to use it for just pressing when I'm sewing. Okay, I've got him plugged up, and it looks like this is our little button. I guess that's 3 different levels of heat. I'm going to start with the top one and see how long it takes to heat it up. You know, it's warming up pretty fast. I've got it warmed up, and it beeps when it's warm. So it did beep. And what I'm going to use it for is pressing seams. So let's see if this works. Just to press your seam. I just sewed a couple of scraps here. Since it has that precision tip, I think it would be really good for when you're quilting or something to be able to press that. That is going to be really handy since I've got it right beside my sewing machine on my pressing mat. That's going to work really nice for pressing open little seams too. Look at that. I am going to do some research and see what the temperatures are, and because that's pretty hot actually. Again, thank you for coming over and seeing what I'm doing this week. I really think I'm going to really like this little thing.